I know nothing about cooking, but I'm bravely going where no forest has gone before. 44 past the hour. Now, if you've waited till now to make Christmas cookies, we've got a quick recipe that your kids can help with. Our friend Curtis Aikens is here.
Yes, get that hug in. 8 hugs a day, y'all. Merry Christmas, America. How's that?
We got some assistants here.
Kids here.
Hey, kids.
This is a new kid. My son was supposed to be here, but he chickened out. Now, who's this sweetheart here?
Devin.
Who's this?
Devin.
Hi, Devin. Nice to see you. This is Alex.
Alex is Kevin Newman's son, who's around here with his video cameras.
And then we've got Haley, right, Haley?
Hey, Haley.
And then there's John. And Jennifer on the end there. We're going to make Christmas cookies for us. These are called I Love You cookies.
Oh.
Wonderful. You know why they're called I Love You cookies?
Well, I'm guessing.
Tell me. What's his guess? Let's hear it, America.
It's this.
Oh, that's it, because I love you for us. No, the cookies are so easy to make for us, but there's a little work intense. So you gotta love somebody to make them. All right, here's the recipe for you folks at home. Now here we've creamed our sugar and our butter. Yeah. We're gonna add 2 egg yolks for us. Just turn this on for us right there.
Turn it on?
Turn it on right there.
Thank you for helping me.
You're the man. Add our 2 egg yolks.
2 egg yolks.
Add a teaspoon of vanilla.
Vanilla.
Okay. Then we're gonna add like as much flour as needed, 3/4 cup. Now we're going to stop it right there for us.
Stop it.
Stop it? I don't want that just puffing out on your face. And here's our cookie dough.
You're the first one who's worried about me in years here.
Yeah? Oh, listen to this guy. But what we've got here, these are the classic sugar cookies for us. Now, go ahead and work that into a ball, gang. And we've rolled it. Aren't they good?
Shall I roll them?
We've rolled this out here.
I see. I've wanted to be rolling in dough for years.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Rolling it. You guys get this boom, boom. Okay. Now, we got these wonderful cookie cutters. If you want to just make classic, stamp out cookies, go ahead for us. That's your turn.
Oh, man. All right.
Since you can't roll in dough, we're going to let you cut the dough.
All right. So what do I do once I cut it?
You pull it out.
Oh, it just comes out.
Yeah. Let's take one of these out. Let's see this.
I mean, I hate to be so stupid.
This beautiful angel. You're not. You're a news man. I'm the cookie man. But what we want to do here for us, let me show you.
We meant to do originally.
We're meant to take the angel out. You see that right there?
All right.
But what we're going to do, kids, everybody, you guys ready? Yeah. Okay, let's show America how to make some of these beautiful I Love You cookies.
Okay, here we go.
What we've done for us, we're going to take and roll them into little balls. Can I stand behind you, Alex and Devin? Can I stand here? What we want to do is take a little hand of dough. We're going to roll it into like a walnut size for us.
We started out as like a little tree or
a little tree or whatever. And we can roll into a little dough. Now, guys, you've got yours ready? I need someone's little finger. You take your finger and push it right in the middle. Devin, let's do right in the middle there. Come on, Alex, put one in there for us. You see that, gang? Now, what we do at home, moms, dads, tonight while we're making these cookies, I want you to get all kind of goodies out here. And you can fill those little cavities with, like, what have we got here, Devin? We got a little piece of candy there. What have you got, Alex? You want to put something in one of your cookies? What have you got there? Little M&Ms or something?
Stick your finger
little chocolate balls. You can fill them with anything you want, moms and dads. They're, like we said, they're the I Love You cookies. So it's a real simple cookie for us.
We've got our whole thing going over here.
We got a whole thing going. You guys, you doing good down there, Jennifer? No problem, John? See, John's a cookie expert. He loves to bake cookies.
He's a serious man.
He's a serious guy.
You got a whole, chain going over
How about you, Haley? Now, if you want to, guys, you can use a bigger finger and put more stuff in there. You can mix it up. Go ahead and make a nice big hole there, Alex. And then you can fill it up with other goodies. Now, out front, if you guys can get a shot of this, look at Alex's beautiful face there. We've got those filled with, we've got a chocolate kiss, we've got some raspberry jam, all kind of goodies for us.
You got to make them a little bigger than these little rounds.
Yeah, make them a little larger there to fill them up with stuff. How you doing, Dev?
For instance.
Jennifer, you having fun down there? Need a hand? You look so pretty in that Christmassy dress, Jennifer. I'm having too much fun.
Now you got to bake them.
You got to bake them. What we're going to do is preheat that oven to 350 degrees, and then we just slip them in there for 8 to 10 minutes for us. You want to get them nice and brown. That's all. They are so easy. These are the I Love You cookies. I got this recipe from Eileen Wishusen.
Give it to your family. Tell them you love them.
Exactly. We make these every year. And look at these. These are the ones we cut out into little shapes.
Isn't that great?
Aren't these wonderful?
Who's that? There we are.
Yeah. Merry Christmas, America. And happy Kwanzaa. Oh, I've got a gift for you over there, too, for us if I got time.
Sure.
This is a Kwanzaa ornament you can put on your tree and also use it for Kwanzaa from the Kenta collection. Just a beautiful, beautiful little ornament there for the tree or to put out a
Curtis, thank you. And Merry Christmas to you.
Happy holidays. Happy Kwanzaa.
Kids,
Merry Christmas,
Merry
everybody.
Christmas. Thanks.
Y'all say Merry Christmas. Come on, 1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas. Oh, yeah.
We'll be rubbing these on our hips later. Next, we're going to get your holiday off to a musical start with the magnificent sounds of Kathleen Battle and Christopher Parkening when Good Morning America continues. Don't go anywhere.